Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be sitting down and filming for you today. It's been quite a while. Things have been really busy. We are finally in 2021 and I wanted to start off the year by sharing some good news, and that is that I am engaged and I've been busy trying to kind of start planning things, but I am here today with a subscription box called Miss to Mrs. and this is like a wedding type subscription box for like a bride-to-be, and I have already cut it open to make it easier, but this is the packaging that it comes in. And then when you pull the box out, it looks like this, and it says Miss to Mrs. on the front. And so we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so it says for every bride-to-be, and then there's some cards, there's a sticker that's taping the tissue paper down, and we're gonna go ahead and look at everything in here. So the first thing is a little card that says tag us on Instagram for a chance to win a free box. And then there's also a little card that has all the items listed. And then opening it up, we've got some more cards. We've got some wedding hacks. This looks like it'll come in handy. And then 11 things every maid of honor should do. So I guess you can give this to your maid of honor. And then this is what it looks like inside. And this is, of course, my first box because I just got engaged, but I wanted to do kind of something special for myself, and I decided that I want to review some of these bridal boxes because I haven't seen a lot of people talking about them, and I'm very curious as to what's in them. So the first thing that I see is this little velvety pouch, and I'm gonna open this up. And inside is a necklace, and it says congratulations to the future misses. It's an 18 karat gold plated necklace in the shape of a little diamond. It's really cute. I really like this pouch too. That was really nice. Next we have this notebook. It says future Mrs. Planner, planning our happily ever after. And inside it says slay for the big day. This planner belongs to, the wedding date is. And then I open it and it's got a side with notes, and then this side has the date, top priorities, appointments, calls, and emails. So let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so it looks like the rest of the planner is just that. It's just those 2 pages throughout the rest of the planner. So there's nothing saying like, oh, 12 months out you should do this, 9 months out you should do this. It's all just notes and top priorities and stuff. And I can't close the book. I don't know what's going on. There we go. I do like that it's got this little rose gold little ribbon thing to keep it closed. Next up is this little pink box. It is all that sparkles jewelry wipes, 10 towelettes to clean your jewelry. And it says it's clean for your diamonds, gold, silver, and gemstones. And my ring is actually an opal, so I don't know, not to be used on porous stones, pearls, and emeralds. So I'm gonna have to look into this to see if I can use it for my opal or if I can use it for my other jewelry. We also have this little travel mug. It says I said yes. And then it has a rose gold lid that goes with it. And it's just got this little, move this to open it. It's really like kind of hard, which I like, so that means it's secure. And here's what it looks like together. That's cute. And then we also have these pens. They've got like diamonds on it. And there's 2 of them. So this is what the top looks like, and here's the rose gold, and then you just twist it and it comes out. And then the other one is just a rose gold and white dotted one. Those are cute. We also have a love balloon and tassel kit. It includes a giant rose gold balloon and 6-foot tassel garland. Balloons terrify me, but I love tassels. And then it's also got, oh, the balloon is 43 inches wide, the tassels up to 6 feet wide, and then it's got directions on the back of how to make the tassels or the assembly for it. And then lastly, we've got this little calendar, days until you and me become we, and so I can like move the numbers around and stuff, and then there's like a spot with quotes on it. Let's open this. I haven't counted down the days. We're still trying to finalize like a wedding date and stuff, but you can just flip these over. It's like a flipboard number thing. So that's really cool. I am happy with this. This was exciting. It's starting to make everything feel a little bit more real. There is another box that I am going to try out. It's called the ring box, I believe. The ring box or the bride box. I know that there's multiple. And then there's also one called the Maven box that I'm interested in. But go ahead and let me know down below what you guys thought of this. And I will link the information for this down below as well. I do want to share, I used a code that they have on their website. I'm going to look that up right now. I used a code to get 50% off the first box. And then aside from that, it's $35 per box. So that's the info for that, but I will have it listed and linked down below. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.